What's good, YouTube? It's your boy X back today with another video. Today's video, I'll be teaching you how to build an 800 credit score CPN in 90 days or less. If you want to get this ebook, you can get it in the link in the description. Now, with that being said, I'm going to show you a little bit about how to build a CPN because a lot of my students are having a little bit of trouble with these particular parts. So the first part y'all are having trouble with is decoding your CPN. You niggas don't know what the fuck that shit is. So I put the link in this motherfucking book so you can go do it. It's simple. What you want to do is go here and go figure out what state you want your CPN to be in. If you want your CPN to be in DC, go find a number between here. These are the first three numbers. So the second two numbers you can find by going up here and putting your actual date of birth. So your date of birth, say if you want to build something in Los Angeles. Now, most of the times, it's not going to give you a number that's between here if you put it in the date of birth. So this is why you need to use this part too, because this is just a generic motherfucking piece. This up here is specific to date of birth. So if you want to make an age-appropriate CPN, you do this part. But if you just want a random CPN number, you can do that too. Let's say Los Angeles, California, man. So boom. It's going to give you a random number. Now, I'm going to build a CPN for a customer right now, so I'm not going to be showing you the number I'm going to build with. You go to SSN Verify, and you want to choose a number, or you can use SSN Validator. It really don't matter. You're going to use both of them. So you're going to use a number that you just now chose. So I'm going to do this one. Choose the little boxes and shit. So boom, once you click search, it's gonna show you your results. And this is exactly what you wanted to say. You wanted to say that it has not been issued to anybody else. So if it's been issued to somebody else, you can't use that shit. Now, you go to the next step, which is go to SSN Verify. Boom, go to SSN Verify. It's gonna look something like these. And type in that same CPN number you just now found. This is what you wanted to say, not been issued. Now you can attach your name, your date of birth, your email, and your new address. So you go find your new address. That shit loud. Go find your new address on Zillow. That's where I find all my addresses for my CPNs. I get my shit shipped there and I pick it up. Now what you want to do is try merge all your information with that number. So go to these 4 websites, My Auto Loan, Bad Credit Loans, Capital One, and Drive Time. Do those applications. Now, I also do one extra step, which is I do like 5 to 10 pre-qualification applications. So I go apply to websites that do not hard pull my credit. So I do a couple hard pulls, and then I do soft pulls so I can get my information deeper into the database. Then, after I do that, I go do my public records. Now, this step right here, you can either wait 24 hours to just try to go straight into Credit Karma, or you can do all your public records and then wait a day and then go into Credit Karma. It don't really matter. Both of the ways work. It's just up to you. So after you get into Credit Karma, then you want to do opt-out pre-screen, list yourself in Sage Stream, and put yourself into the database even more. After you get into Credit Karma, you're good. But if that does not work, if your Credit Karma or Experian or something, TransUnion, don't let you get in, then I recommend to start over and build a new CPN. I'm just going to keep it 100 with you. If Credit Karma or Wallet Hub don't work, you are not getting your CPN in for a long time, like 30 days to 60 days or 90 days. I don't like to wait for that. So I just build a new CPN. If it don't work, I build me a new one. So that's a little bit of information. I hope this video helped you out. If you want this ebook or if you need help, just message me on Telegram. Everything about me is in the link in the description. So yeah, go find me there.